Hello guys and welcome to GoGeek channel. Today we are talking about the Razer Viper Ultimate Cyberpunk Edition. The Viper Ultimate has a fairly aggressive style on its own, but with the Razer Viper Ultimate Cyberpunk 2077 Edition wireless gaming mouse, the look is taken even further. The design is bright yellow with black highlights, futuristic, and has a barcode design with neural connection status active printed on it. In the middle we have the Cyberpunk 2077 logo, and below we can find the full Razer logo, which is of course LED lighted. The mouse has an ambidextrous design with a low back. It is compact, which makes it portable. The mouse itself measures 127mm long, 38mm tall, 66mm wide, and a weight of 74 grams. It also has a receiver storing slot under the mouse, so it's quite easy to take it around with you if needed. The dongle can connect directly to the PC or inside the docking. It makes sense to connect it in the docking when using the mouse at home, but if you need to take it out, you can simply plug it in any computer and you are good to go. On the base is where the wireless dongle storage is, which is very easy to open for connection purposes, and the on-off button as well. You can change the DPI thanks to the handy button right above the on-off switch, and you can even double check the mouse's current DPI settings thanks to the lights. Red will be 400, green will be 800, blue at 1600, cyan at 2400 and yellow at 3200. The base is 100% PTFE, allowing for smooth mouse movements of many surfaces if not all of them. With the mouse comes the Razer Mouse Dock Chroma. As with the mouse, the dock is also entirely yellow with a clear LED indicator for battery level. Green for full, yellow or orange as it hits 70% and below, and red when battery is almost empty. The dock matches the mouse design perfectly and connects to the PC via USB cable. In turn, the base has a USB connector to connect any other device and does not lose the USB port of the computer. The dock has RGB lighting as well, and you can either set the logo on the base to have the same lighting or individually assign them inside the Razer Synapse software. You can customize this mouse with the Razer Synapse and you have plenty of options to play with. You can adjust RGB lighting, remap the buttons, tweak DPI, adjust power settings and more. Unlike other producers, within the Synapse you can control all your Razer gear. The Razer Viper Ultimate Cyberpunk Edition lets you store up to 5 mouse profiles in the onboard memory, and you can take them with you wherever you go. Every button except the left click on the mouse can be reassigned to a different function. The current version of Razer Synapse software is an immensely customizable software kit once you've signed up, logged in and downloaded all the modules needed. You can also set up a hypershift button which changes the function of every button when you hold the previously assigned key. In the Performance tab you can set the predefined DPI stages and change the polling rate to up to 1000 Hz. The Lighting tab lets you adjust the brightness and basic effects of the RGB. If you want advanced lighting features, even though they are only available on the Razer logo located under your palm, you can use the Chroma Studio. You also have calibration option if you want to tweak your mouse based on your mousepad and power options, which are mandatory since you are using a wireless device. We've looked over all the features and now it is time to put the mouse to the test. Testing a mouse is subjective, so we'll have to try it out in games such as CSGO, PUBG, Age of Empires and of course Cyberpunk 2077. The Razer Viper Ultimate Cyberpunk 2077 mouse has been designed for all types of grips: palm grip, finger grip and claw grip. The optical switches it carries are not very loud and according to Razer can withstand up to 70 million clicks. The Focus Plus ear sensor offers great performance at all levels. It offers great precision even without using a mousepad. Further, supports up to 20,000 real DPI. All this makes it an option to consider when looking for high-end gaming mouse. Playing wirelessly or with the cable, I have not noticed any difference. If there is more latency in wireless mode, the difference will be minimal. On the other hand, being able to change the sensitivity by pressing a button is a success, although it's not novelty. I found the battery life quite good. At first, it offers up to 70 hours of autonomy, which is not bad. For my part, I can only say that it lasted almost 5 days, so in this sense it complies. Anyway, if you ever run out of battery, you can continue using the mouse by connecting the USB cable. There is no need to use the base. Performance is quite simply second to none. Whilst it doesn't have the features of adaptable side plates, the mouse is designed to cater for the most amount of people. The 2 buttons on each side are sufficient for any FPS game. In addition, the weight and overall comfort of the mouse makes it an incredibly productive accessory for anyone who just wants to work, video edit, Photoshop, etc. Therefore, it isn't fair to just call the Viper Ultimate a gaming mouse. It is in fact a mouse that also enhances productivity in other areas. The Razer Viper Ultimate Cyberpunk 2077 Edition wireless gaming mouse is an amazing mouse. If you already have a Viper Ultimate, this one is exactly the same, has the same features and performance, but has a more aggressive look and feel. The mouse is also available in Classic Black and also has Mercury in Quartz edition available. The design is yours to choose from, and you should get the one that fits your style the most. For gaming style, we love the Cyberpunk 2077 Edition the most. Putting the design aside, the Razer Viper Ultimate packs all the latest and best technologies Razer has in its portfolio. It has the best wireless technology which delivers the same performance wireless as with the cable, the battery life is great, the dock is included, so whenever you are not using it you can charge it, and it is fully customizable using the Razer Synapse software. The mouse is fit for any hands, small or large, and for both lefties and righties it is compact, lightweight, and it is great for both gaming and graphic work. It comes with a hefty price, but you pay for the premium features, and this one has them all. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.